Price action traders focus on the movement of price as their major point of analysis for any currency, commodity, or stock they are looking to trade. This skill is considered crucial for any developing or professional day trader. They focus on two major things: support and resistance. Think of support as a floor and resistance as a ceiling. Support is a level where prices tend to stop falling. It's like a strong floor that holds up price. Resistance is a level where prices tend to stop rising. It's like a strong ceiling that keeps the price down. Traders pay attention to when price gets close to these levels. If price bounces up from support, it means demand is strong. If price falls back from resistance, it means that supply is strong. They also look for moments when price breaks through these levels. If it breaks resistance, it's suggesting demand is winning, and if it breaks support, then it's suggesting that supply is winning. Some traders who are more advanced, like myself, are able to visually analyze key supply and demand behaviors and trade with the largest players in the market. They are trading with the groups who are moving the market. This is developed through mentorship and practical chart work, which is crucial to gain the proper skills and knowledge. By understanding support and resistance, traders make smarter decisions and manage their risks better in the market. Some traders become experts of recognizing it and gain a distinct advantage in day trading. If you're interested in learning more, join my Discord.